Kamaʻāina Sunday. We're a group known as Walea with a special guest, legendary artist.
You couldn't make it?
Ukulele master Bryan Tolentino right over here.
Happy laughing everybody.
And I guess it's an ukulele day because I forgot to bring my baritone.
Nah.
So, you know, it was going to be not ukulele, Ikolu .1.
Still is though.
It still is.
Still is.
It's just it's two tenors. Yeah. She go.
I go move. No worries.
And of course, this is my wife on the ukulele bass, Miss Desiree Kū And my name is Kū Koanui-Souza, and we're going to be here till the 1 o'clock hour. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3.
That is 23 hours. No.
That is
11 hours.
Yeah, 13 o'clock. We're going to be here 13 o'clock, entertaining you with traditional Hawaiian music.
There we go.
Nakawairu ki wai anu hea o ka rose e ho'opele I ka liko o nā pua. Nakamanu pīkake manu hulu mele mele nakahiko ia o ku'uope. Nakahiko ia Anani wale tu home o ʻāinahau I ka ihu I ka holo na pea kalau o ka niu. A I ka ulu vehi vehi I ke ala o na hua anu home aku home I ka iu Aku home atu home I ka iu Nakamakani ahe ahe I pamai makai I lawe mai ke ona o nā lipoa E ho'o I poho o nipo me ke ala o ku'uhome atu home I ka iu Ku'uhome atu home I ka iu Mami wale ku'uhome o ʻāinahau I ka iu I ka holu na pea kalau o ka niu I ka ulu vehi vehi I ke ala o na pua Ku'uhome atu home I ka iu Ku'uhome I ka iu Nani wale ku'uhome o ʻāinahau I ka iu I ka holu na pea kalau o ka niu I ka ulu vehi vehi I ke ala o na pua Ku'uhome I ka iu ku'uhome i ka iu ku'uhome i ka iu ʻAinahau. Song by Princess Miriam Likelike for her lovely home known as ʻAinahau.